After a yeast overgrowth has resolved, how would I keep the yeast from overgrowing again? Top two causes of yeast overgrowth: alcohol consumption and antibiotic use. Outside of that, you have to consider what also is an antibiotic beyond prescription antibiotics. Chlorine's an antibiotic, fluoride's an antibiotic. These are things they add to your drinking water. Why? Because they're antibiotics, they keep microbial growth from spoiling our water. So you should be filtering your water at the source when you're drinking it and getting the chlorine and fluoride out. Pesticides, herbicides are antibiotics. So if you're not eating organically or going to local co-op, local farmers markets to buy food, but you're eating all this stuff that's sprayed, you're actually decimating your microbiome. The evidence is becoming super, super clear over the last 10, 15 years. The research coming out on the microbiome is just stunning. A lot of what's happening to the health, and especially in European Union, in the US, and other places where there's mass agriculture, where you have what's called scaled monocropping agriculture, where you have to use chemicals to grow so much. These chemicals are decimating our microbiomes. They're causing a severe plummeting of the diversity of the different microorganisms that live in our gut. We always talk about the rainforest and how cutting down the trees kills off species that we've not even discovered yet. Well, you have more species in your gut, right? And you're killing those off when you're exposing yourself to these antibiotic poisons that so many of us get exposure to. It's very much reversible. Spend a lot of time outside, play in the dirt, go grow a garden, get your hands in the soil, own a pet. These are all great ways to naturally get good bacteria colonization. You can also eat fermented foods, but you can't maintain that, Jessica, if you are constantly being exposed to chemical antibiotics from foods, water, and other exposures.